Alright, y'all. So, bought this controller, maybe 2 years ago. This is a POWERA wireless controller with the AA batteries. It's got two buttons on the back that you can map using this third button here. Problem is, it's kind of rattly. No amiibo support, no rumble, but that's fine. I mean, joysticks feel alright, the D-pad isn't terrible. You know, all the buttons feel kind of nice. Not great, but not like hot garbage. Why am I showing you this, you ask? Because I recently had to buy my own Nintendo Switch for reasons I'm not going to talk about on videos. Anyways, just had to. So I decided, since that controller is going with the other Switch, I decided to get this bad boy. So this is the POWERA enhanced wireless controller. So some things that are going to be different is, one, has the rechargeable battery, and that's about it as far as from the box. Pro style wireless freedom. Not going to read all that, but y'all can if you want to. I'll leave it on screen for just a second. So, interestingly, the Switch had zero tape around the box. Everything just popped right open. So, there it is in all of its crinkly plastic packaged glory. So, a few things that I want to test with this. One, the biggest question I had: can you play it wired as well as wireless? So something I'm noticing right out of the box, no rattle. I mean, this thing here, this probably rattles less now than it did out of the box. This is pretty solid. Again, this is the Midnight Ride design. Nice white back with black buttons. Well, I'll say that these actually feel a little softer. It's a little less clicky. The D-pad feels much better. The stick's a little more responsive. Nice attention to detail with the dark blue behind the sticks. You have Link, Epona, and Zelda. So this charging cable. One of the best things about this POWERA controller is, look at all this cable. It just keeps going and going and going. That's a 10-foot cable right there. Looks like a mess in my hands, but that's alright. We'll just straighten it on out. Let's see how it feels though. There you go. So you hit the sync button, go into the change grip and orders in the menu under controllers, and hit the LR button, and then press A. You're good to go. So we are now playing with this controller. Hit the home button. Once again, make sure it knows what controllers you're using. Nice and smooth. I'm really not noticing any lag. That other green controller had the tiniest bit of lag, but not as much as the Joy-Cons seem to have. Yeah, seems pretty responsive. all in all, feels nice. I've only played on a Pro controller once or twice, and they feel a little meatier, a little heavier. Of course, you can use the amiibo support and the rumble. I'm not sure that these have any rumble at all. The enhanced, I really don't think so. There's not much I can really do to test it except yep, 0 rumble, but that's alright. So yeah, I'm gonna play with it a little more before I edit this video, and I'll come back to give y'all my final thoughts. So far, so good though. I mean, look at that. Isn't that nice? It's beautiful. Beautiful art. The blue D-pad, the metallic blue D-pad's really nice. I mean, feels nice. Up to 30 hours of playtime, so it says, which in my house with my child, it's going to be more like 10 hours of playtime and 20 hours of leave the controller and the Switch on for no reason. But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all have had this controller. Let me know what you think. Tell me all about it down in the comments. Alright y'all, if you liked the video, give it a like. If you want to see more, go ahead and consider subscribing. It's free, it really helps out us content creators. Be sure to leave something down in the comments, something I can improve on, something you liked, all that good stuff. As always, y'all be good. Peace.